Recycling takes items we're finished using and makes them into something new. How do the items from your recycling bin get made into something new? First, a truck empties recycling containers from schools, homes, and businesses. The trucks drive to a place called a transfer station and dump the materials into piles. The materials are pushed into a system of machines to be sorted. A sort screen with spinning wheels separates flat items from the items that aren't flat. The flat items, paper and cardboard, move to storage areas. That's why it's important that the only flat items you put in the recycling bin are paper or cardboard. Next, the materials travel past a magnet that pulls out the metal items. Items made from non-magnetic aluminum, like soda cans, are sent in a different direction by something called an eddy current. All of the separated materials are piled in storage areas. They're smashed and packed into bundles called bales. The bales are brought by companies to break down those materials and use them to make new items. Why do we do all of this work to recycle? Everything we use, from clothes to computers, comes from things in nature called natural resources. Recycling is one of the ways we can make sure we don't use too much of Earth's natural resources. Recycling also saves energy and prevents pollution. Make sure you're recycling right by following a few simple rules. First, anything you recycle in the blue bin should be bigger than a greeting card or bigger than your fist. Smaller items can make it through the sort system and cause a big mess. Anything you recycle needs to be empty, clean, and dry. Recycle paper, newspapers, magazines, and cardboard like shipping boxes and cereal boxes. Paper with glitter or shiny foil cannot be recycled. Other paper items that can't be recycled include to-go food containers, packing for refrigerated or frozen food, and paper products used to serve food and beverages. Recycle plastic items if they're one of these four shapes: bottle, tub, jug, and jar. Any other plastic items, including berry containers, eating utensils, drink cups and lids, straws, and juice pouches, can't be recycled. Throw these in the garbage. Plastic bags are an especially big problem because they clog the machines at the transfer station. You can also recycle metal cans and tins. Foil wrappers and chip bags cannot be recycled. If there's too much in the recycling that can't be recycled, it will all be sent to the landfill. That's why it's up to all of us to recycle right to protect the earth. You can go to clarkgreenschools.org to view and print a classroom recycle guide to help you remember what can and can't go in the recycling bin. You can also go to recyclingdoneright.com to use the search tool when you're not sure if something can be recycled, whether you're at school or at home. Together, we can recycle right.